Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A4 versus the A6. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which luxury sedan best fits your lifestyle. The A4 is a compact executive car, perfect for city driving and those seeking a nimble ride. The A6 steps up as a mid-size luxury option, providing enhanced comfort and a more commanding presence on the road. Both uphold Audi's reputation for quality. When it comes to performance, the A4 often comes with responsive four-cylinder engines, delivering a lively and engaging drive. It feels more agile, making it a joy on winding roads. The A6, however, frequently boasts more potent V6 engines, offering greater horsepower and a noticeably smoother, more composed ride. It's built for effortless long-distance travel, emphasizing luxury and power. Inside, the A4 presents a sophisticated, driver-focused cabin with excellent material quality. It feels intimate and sporty. The A6 elevates the experience with a more expansive interior, providing generous legroom and headroom, particularly for rear passengers. It also typically includes a greater array of standard luxury amenities and cutting-edge technology, making every journey feel more premium and connected. Finally, let's talk about value. The A4 typically has a more accessible starting price, making it an attractive option for those seeking premium luxury without the top-tier cost. The A6, with its larger size and enhanced features, naturally comes with a higher price tag. Your choice depends on your budget and whether you prioritize a compact, sporty feel or expansive luxury. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.